Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is zealous. It is pronounced Zealous and spelt Z-E-A-L-O-U-S. Think Z-E-A and then lus, L-O-U-S. Zealous means someone or something that is enthusiastic, passionate, and dedicated to a cause or idea. It's a good way to describe someone who is deeply committed and motivated to achieve a goal or purpose. For example, you could say the volunteer was zealous and always eager to help. Or the student's zealous approach to their studies resulted in exam success. Hopefully, this sentence could be used to describe you. The word zealous comes from the Latin word zealosus, which means full of zeal, the same as today. In the movie Zootopia, the main character, Judy Hopps, is portrayed as zealous and determined in her quest to become the first rabbit police officer. Synonyms for zealous include enthusiastic, passionate, dedicated, and eager. Antonyms for zealous are apathetic, indifferent, and lackadaisical. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, zealous. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.